RoboJob by the numbers 851. 8-week delivery, sometimes less, 5 days of installation that includes 1 day of training. The sooner your robot is in place, the sooner you'll accelerate your revenue stream and improve profits and productivity. We keep robots in stock here in Burr Ridge, Illinois. That means you aren't waiting 6 months or longer to get your robot. You get it quickly. The longest anyone waits is about 8 weeks. With fast delivery, the installation moves from human hands to robotic grippers in just 5 days. Your team gets 1 full day of training. Most don't take the full day because learning the software is so easy. To start exploring CNC automation, call us at 866-952-9020 and press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob-USA, first in CNC automation.